Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace applique. This video is dedicated to you flares. So let's see. Start the slip knot and crochet a multiple of 5 plus 1 chain. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 25, 26. Skip 3 chains, insert your hook into the third loop of my first chain, make a double crochet into the third loop of my fourth chain, make a double crochet in each stitch, third loop only, make a double crochet, make a double crochet, keep going, make a double crochet in last stitch, chain 1, make a reverse single crochet in each stitch, make a reverse single crochet, make a reverse single crochet, stretch it, make a reverse single crochet in each stitch, keep going. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in third chain, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Yarn over, pull through all loops, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third loop, make a back post, slip stitch, make a slip stitch in next stitch, back post, make a slip stitch in next stitch, again back post, chain 5 and repeat again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Yarn over, pull through all loops, skip 2 stitches, insert your hook into the third stitch, then make a slip stitch, back post, make a slip stitch in next stitch, and make a slab stitch in next stitch again. Chain 5 and repeat. This is my last time. Skip 2 stitches, then make a back post slab stitch, chain 1, then make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch again, chain 1, then make a slab stitch until the end of the row. Make a slab stitch in each stitch. Make a slab stitch in each stitch. Please crochet tight. Make a slab stitch. Keep going. At the end, chain 1, then make a slab stitch in each chain. 1, 2, and 3. Make a slab stitch in reverse single crochet. Chain 1, get the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thank you so much for watching my video and for your time. I appreciate for your consideration. I'm glad that you were with me today. I upload new videos every week. If you have such creative ideas, please share your comments with me. Your comments and suggestions are very useful and informative for me. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please support me by commenting and subscribing. See you later. Bye.